Everybody, Short Bus Travels here at the Beau Rivage in Biloxi, Mississippi. This is a quick room review of a basic, I believe it's a king room with a ocean view. I'm not aware of any amenities, so it's going to be a live room review, if you will, just kind of wing it as I go. I will be switching rooms soon because the original room I had was supposed to be the panoramic view. But for starters, go ahead and look at the restroom. It's pretty nice. Stand-up shower. Adjustable water head. Got the different speeds so you can take off that nastiness. Nice low toilet. It's not one of those high flow, damn, earth-friendly toilets, but definitely nice. Cotton nail, so your bum feels nice. Still got the poop phone. I don't know what that's for. Maybe if you're constipated, you can call the bell desk to help you with your luggage. You have a hair dryer there. Extra tissue, just in case you need tissue for unforeseen reasons. Complimentary soaps, conditioner, shampoo, body lotions. Bam! Got your mirror there to get your Dr. Pimple Popper on. It's pretty nice. Nice little tub. Controls there. It's very similar to the Bellagio. Anyone who's never been to the Bellagio in Las Vegas, it's pretty much similar. Got a nice picture there. Floors are the same as Bellagio. This is connecting room. So if you do have guests, I am on the 25th floor. You can always have a guest stay next to you. This is their wonderful closet. Open sesame. Ironing board. Nice iron, of course. Yeah. My also famous safe. A luggage rack. Thanks to the great viewer that told me what that was. On to the room. Looking for the light switch. This is the king suite. So the light switch is right here. And again, like I said, this is a pretty basic room. I think it's about less than 400 square feet. Bed is pretty low, and this is not a handicap accessible room, but the beds are pretty low. You have lights up here, reading lamps, a tray table for the television. You have your extra drawers here. You have a nice, I believe this is maybe a 42-inch TV. Coffee maker, you have your Keurig there. Complimentary bottles of water, you have your teas. You have the menu here if you want to do any room service, which I'll be going downstairs shortly to do a review of the pool. Nice little sitting area. iPod dock, and more drawers here. Cut this on. Got your lamps here. That controls the overhead light, the reading lamp. Thermostat there. It's set at 60, and trust me, it is cold. And now to the view. Got the handles right here. Yeah. Go ahead and take a look-see. Push that over there. Push this over here. And now you can get a beautiful view of the Gulf. That's the pool down there. And like I said, this is just a basic room, but it's pretty nice. For the price of free, I can't complain. Well, I will complain in a little while to see if I can get another room, but for this being a comped room, it definitely is pretty beautiful. So that's pretty much it for the review. This is a pretty simple review. Like I said, Bellagio, Beau Rivage, the Mirage in Las Vegas, they all, if I'm not mistaken, don't quote me on this, they all have the same sort of layout, if you will. I believe the architect and the building designer that built this one also built the Mirage, also built Bellagio, and don't quote me on this, and please don't send me emails that my data is wrong, or in the words of Trumpster, fake news. But I believe that he built the Treasure Island as well. So definitely very similar with the three. You stayed at Treasure Island, you're probably like, hey man, that looks familiar. Stayed at Bellagio, hey, that looks familiar. If you stayed here, hey, that's what it looks like in Vegas? Yes. So I thank everybody for watching. Do my little selfie side view. I'm gonna go downstairs, do a little flipping and dipping. Try to get a few bonuses. And make a booms. Boom, boom, boom. Peace.